Delhi Traffic Police has shut Tikri border for vehicular traffic as thousands of farmers resumed their Delhi Chalo march after spending the night in Panipat. Visuals showed protesters pelting bricks and stone in Tikri, while Delhi-Gurugram border is witnessing a massive traffic jam as police check vehicles. Rapid Action Force in riot gear have also been deployed in large numbers in Singhu border. On Thursday, the protesters braved tear gas shells and water cannons to break through police barricades at several places on the Punjab and Haryana border while heading to the national capital. Marching through Haryana, where they were joined by local farmers, the farmers decided to stop for the night at Panipat, close to the national capital. Delhi metro services from neighbouring cities to Delhi will also remain suspended on Friday. PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti has been detained again, the former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister said on Friday. She claimed that she has been locked in her house since 2 days as the Union Territory Administration refused to allow her to visit party leader Wahid Para's family in Pulwama. Mufti claimed that her daughter has also been placed under house arrest. Para, PDP's youth wing president and a former cabinet minister, was arrested by the National Investigation Agency in Delhi after 2 days of questioning on Wednesday. He had recently filed his nomination for the upcoming DDC polls from Pulwama in South Kashmir. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will fly to Hyderabad, Ahmedabad and Pune on Saturday to take stock of the development of the COVID-19 vaccine at the facilities here. The PM will visit the facilities of vaccine manufacturer Bharat Biotech in Hyderabad, where work is underway on the production of India's first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin, and also visit the Zydus Cadila facilities in Ahmedabad, where Zycov-D is being produced, and the Serum Institute of India facilities in Pune, where the AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine will be manufactured, the Times of India reported. Modi will be arriving at Hakimpet Air Force Station in an IAF flight from Pune in the afternoon, an official memo issued by the Telangana Chief Secretary on Thursday night said. A MiG-29K trainer of the Indian Navy ditched on Thursday evening while operating at the high seas, and one pilot has been rescued while another is still missing, the Navy officials said on Friday. The incident took place at around 5 p.m. in the Arabian Sea. The Navy has deployed surveillance aircraft and ships to locate the missing pilot. A high-level inquiry has also been ordered to investigate the incident. The Enforcement Directorate on Thursday arrested Cox & Kings promoter Peter Kerker in a money laundering case linked to alleged loan default at the Yes Bank, officials said. Peter Kerker, also known as Ajay Ajit Peter, was arrested in Mumbai under various sections of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act and will be produced before a court there on Friday. The case relates to ED's money laundering probe, in which the Central Probe Agency had said that Yes Bank had a total outstanding of Rs 3,642 crore against Cox & Kings group of companies.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.